If your laptop's battery draining faster than it should, even when you are doing basic tasks, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you simple and powerful tricks to instantly improve your battery life without any extra tools or apps. These quick tips could give your battery a whole new life. So let's get started. First, right click on Windows Start. Go to Settings. Then go to System. Now scroll down and click on Power and Battery. Click on Energy Recommendation. Now click on Apply All. This applies all system suggested tweaks to reduce power usage, like turning off background apps, reducing brightness, etc., which helps extend battery life. Now under Power Mode, choose Best Power Efficiency for both battery and plugged-in modes. This reduces system performance slightly but saves a lot of battery. Ideal for daily tasks like browsing or watching videos. Next, scroll down to Screen and Sleep. Set screen to turn off after 1 minute on battery. Now reduce sleep and hibernate timeouts as per your usage. This helps your laptop turn off faster when you are not using it, so the battery lasts longer. If you have connected USB device like a mic, flash drive or external hard disk but you are not using them, unplug them. Even if they are ideal, they still consume power. Removing them can help save battery throughout the day. If you are not using the internet or any Bluetooth devices, it's a good idea to turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth from the taskbar or settings. This reduces background activity like searching for networks or devices, which can drain your battery slowly over time. Turning them off helps extend battery life, especially when you are working offline or watching downloaded content. Background apps can silently drain your battery and slow down your laptop. So right click the start icon and open Task Manager. Now go to the Performance tab. Keep an eye on CPU, memory and disk usage. They should be ideally be under 50 to 70% during idle. Now go to the Startup Apps tab. Now disable any unnecessary apps that run on startup, like CCleaner or mobile devices, unless you really need them to launch automatically. Be careful not to disable important items like sound, security or graphics drivers. Updates often includes performance and battery optimizations. Make sure your Windows OS and drivers are up to date. If your system hasn't been updated in a while, then go to Settings. After that, Windows Update and click on Check for updates. Go to Windows Start and type Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Now under the Performance section, click on Settings. In the new window, select Adjust for Best Performance. Then click Apply and OK. This disables visual effects like animations and shadows, which reduces the load on your CPU and GPU. Less processing means less power usage, helping your battery last longer, especially on low-end or older laptops. Go to Windows Search and type Edit Power Plan. Click on it. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the new window, click on Restore Plan Defaults. Click Yes when asked for confirmation. Then click OK to save the changes. This resets all power setting to their original. Balance state, removing any misconfigured options that may be draining your battery. It's a quick way to fix hidden settings that affect battery life without knowing it. And that's it. These steps may look simple, but they can truly extend your laptop's battery life if followed properly. So let me know in the comments which tip worked best for you. And if this tutorial helped, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.